If you've just been injured on someone else's property, whether it's a commercial establishment or a private property or even government property, it's very important to look around, pull out your smartphone, take photographs of what caused you to fall. Let's say, for example purposes, this was a slip and fall and there was clear water on the floor. Well, take pictures of that water so we can show how much there is. If your clothing is wet, take pictures of your clothing to show there is quite a bit of water there that caused you to fall. If there's any witnesses around, definitely take their statement. If you have a recorder on your phone, record their statement. If not, get a pen and paper and have them write it out and sign it. At the very least, get their name and phone number and address, that type of information. Let them know that you or your attorney might be contacting them for their statement later on. Ask them to stay and explain to any employees that hopefully will come and aid you after you've been injured in a store or anywhere. Have the employees speak to the witnesses. Ask for an accident report. You definitely want an accident report. Ask to be able to see the report and make sure that you agree with what's on it. If not, then you take and write out a statement that you don't fully agree with those facts. Just remember, we have to prove that it's their fault you were injured. So it's not enough to say, I fell. It'd be better to say, I fell on water leaking from a cooler. There was quite a bit of water, must have been leaking for a long time. The water was clear, that's why I couldn't see it. That would be better than I fell in water. Each fact pattern is going to have its own unique set of circumstances, and thus my advice would be different for each fact pattern. Call me. I'll be happy to explain to you and advise you what the best way to tell your story is.